Alright, so start off by filling in the eyebrows like so. I'm just drawing my natural eyebrow shape and then elongating it for God knows how long, but you know what I'm saying. Then set everything with your eyebrow mascara like so. Moving on to the eyes, I'm just using my Etude House eye primer and applying it all over my eyelids and setting it with a translucent powder like so. So first off, you want to apply sphere all over your eyelids. We're using a crease brush. I'm just going to build up the color onto my crease. Using satin, apply it onto your lids, blending it towards sphere. Then use Osiris to shade the eyes, applying it on the outer and inner corners of the eyelids like so. Then go back to sphere to blend any harsh lines away. And apply lucid to highlight the inner corners of your eyes like so. Then use an emerald-ish eyeshadow to create a line on your crease, blurring it towards the end, and I'm using a precision brush to draw it precisely. Once again, go back to sphere and place it all over your lower lash line. Then apply satin with a more precise brush closer to your lash line. Then mix dimension and throne together to apply on your middle lash line, making sure to use a light hand so it wouldn't look that heavy. For the eyeliner, use a brown gel eyeliner like so, and you need to tightline your eyes first before winging it out at the end. Then use a cream glitter eyeshadow to put onto your lower lash line like so. Curl your lashes and then apply false lashes. I'm just showcasing my nails and watch me struggle to pull on my falsies. Why not? Lastly, apply mascara to blend your real lashes and the fake ones. And this mascara isn't really that good, so I don't know why I'm still using it. Moving on to the base, I know my foundation is lighter than my skin because this was filmed in summer, but I'm just releasing it this December. See how late this upload is, but you know the drill, just blend it with a blender. It saves you time. For concealer, I'm applying it onto my dark circles and areas I want to highlight, and I'm blending it using a beauty blender. See how light this concealer is for my skin? Girl, I tan so easily. It's ridiculous. Apply the cream blusher onto the apples of your cheeks like so, blending it gently outwards. Then I'm setting everything in with a translucent powder. This one has glitters on it, so it reflects light. Then using the brown eyeshadow from the LANCOME palette, I'm just going to contour my nose like so. Then highlight the highest points of your cheeks, your nose bridge, and your cupid's bow. Then outline the lips like so using a lip liner. Then apply lipstick to the empty parts, and then I'm just gonna use my finger to feather it out onto the edges like so, since it's quite opaque. And you're done!